What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV, and we back with another video. Now, I filmed 5 videos yesterday, but I'm skipping them because some of them are like mids and lows, and I don't have to like rush that content out. So I want to do a special video for this video because these sneakers were limited as hell. I didn't hit on the sneakers app, but I hit on Finish Line. Surprisingly, I hit on Finish Line. Don't ask me how. I don't know myself. All I know is I tried to click for a 6.5, but I ended up getting a different size. So you see the title, you see the name of it. Let's get right into it. Oh yeah, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because as soon as we hit 1K subs, we're doing a free giveaway. So be a part of that by hitting the subscribe button as well. If you're new here, comment whatever you gotta say, because I respond to all my comments, as well as check out my main channel and check out my Instagram. All the link will be down below in the description. So let's get right into it. So off rip, I want to say shout out to them, but also like, what the hell? Here's the box. Nike regular box for Dunks, whatever, orange. But look at this. Finish Line, what the hell was you shipping? Did you sit on my box? Look at that. What the hell is up with them? Look at that. Flappy. I don't know what the hell they did. I don't even know how I can sell this. I'm going to try to find a local. But either way, you see the size right there. 6Y. 6Y. I tried to go for a 6.5. It said out of stock. So I clicked 6Y. It went to my cart. And then I just bought it. And then it didn't cancel my order. So shout out to them for not doing that. Now look at these beauties. My first GS Dunk right here. They call it the Tropical Twist / the Tiffany's, because I guess that blue is like Tiffany blue. So I'm gonna put in the title. You guys are gonna know, obviously, since this box is like messed up, whatever. Yeah, so these, let's get the thumbnail. That's for the ladies. So this right here is a GS size. So majority of the views from this video should be from ladies. So ladies, I always say, if you're watching, hit me up on Instagram down below. I have my business Instagram and my personal, so you can hit me up on whatever one if you have any questions about sneakers, or if you want to holler at your boy, holler at me. I had to catch my breath to smell it again. But this is my first GS sizing and Dunks. They didn't come with no tissue inside. What the hell? Yeah, they just don't give a crap about y'all in GS, I guess. But this is definitely a solid, cute colorway. It's like a tone of like light gray, white, and then that Tiffany blue, that Tropical Twist. But like I said, it was very limited on the sneakers app because obviously I didn't hit, but I hit on Finish Line. So shout out to Finish Line, definitely for coming through. So like I said, Tropical Twist with that Tiffany blue. Got on the tongue right there, and the back heels as well. Definitely a nice color, nice shoe. This is definitely cute. I feel like this is so underrated because like this color or this Dunk was just not even like promoted. It was literally just on sneakers. It dropped. Of course, us resellers go for it, so we got. But just as a regular person, you wouldn't even know these came out because they didn't have no build-up. It was literally posted like a week prior to when it dropped the other day on sneakers. So that's how it looks on the inside. It looks bigger than a 6. I don't know, maybe because of the way I'm holding it, but it's definitely a 6Y. GSI is grade school. So that's how that looks. This is cute. Let me know in the comments, ladies or fellas, I guess, if you like this Tropical Twist / Tiffany blue, or you passed on these if you saw them. Did you take a L as I did on sneakers, or did you even go for them? Did you even know they dropped? Let me know everything in the comments, because I respond to all my comments like I always do, like I always say. So if you're new here, make sure you respond. Make sure you ask any questions, because I'll answer them. So if you like these and they're cute, Yeah, let me know if you took a L, but you're still gonna try to go buy them off the resale market. Let me know if you passed on these, or you're just worried about the next dunk, because they drop in dunks every week, it seems like. So just like Jordans, you gotta pick and choose what you want to spend your money on. Oh, I'm tired. But yeah. So that's it for me on this dunk. I just wanted to do a quick review for you guys, recap, and show you guys these, because these literally just came in the mail today. And yeah, I got the box right here. So, you know, I'm going to just show that for clarity, just so I could say in the title, unboxing, review. But that's how it looks. Inside, got that same color blue, Nike. So I'm just happy I finally got my first GS dunk, because all the dunks I ever got was men's sizes, or, yeah, men's sizes. So that's how it looks. Alright, thank you for watching. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I got so much more videos to upload and edit. Edit, upload, I said it backwards, but I don't know if my allergies are kicking in. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I always say, comment whatever you want. I'll respond to my comments, as well as keep running up these views. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Share these videos, let people know, join the squad. I tell the truth over here. So if I like the shoes, I'll like it, and then I'll tell you I like it. If I don't like it, I'll tell you I don't like it, as well as, even if I don't like a shoe, you guys know I'm a reseller, so I'll sell stuff. So if I don't like a shoe, just know it's not for me. It's to sell it for a profit, obviously. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Your boy Little Roy is tuning out.